What's up? Most traders start their trading careers without understanding of what it means and how long it takes to be a consistently profitable trader, the skills that are involved, and how deep to which those skills need to be improved. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you. We will learn how to take more money from the Forex market consistently. If you are committed to put more efforts for mastering and applying these skills, you will make more money consistently from the Forex market, and you will create another source of income for bettering your life. Thank you very much. Let's start on Forex trading table of contents. The full overview of the lesson is you have to know first before you think making money from the Forex market. My name is Bruno FX Magnet. I am a professional Forex trader and a digital entrepreneur. Let's get started. Forex trading table of contents. In lesson 1, introduction to Forex trading, number 1, you are going to know the definition of Forex trading. Number 2, you are going to learn characteristics of the business of Forex trading. Number 3, requirements to succeed in the business of Forex trading. Number 4, why you should learn to trade Forex. Number 5, questions you have to ask yourself before you start online Forex trading. Number 6, top 20 golden advice for Forex trading beginners. Number 7, you are going to know the power of association by trading Forex. Number 8, you will know major Forex market players. Number 9, you will learn how to choose a Forex trading broker. Let's go to lesson 2. In lesson 2, you will know where Forex currencies and currency pairs. Number 1, in lesson 2, you will learn the 7 most traded Forex currencies. Number 2, types of Forex currency pairs, major, minor, and exotic Forex currency pairs. Number 3, you will learn what is leverage, margin, and lot sizes. Number 4, what is ask, bid, and spread. Number 5, you will learn how to use MetaTrader 4 trading platform by using a computer and smartphone. Alright, in lesson 3, you will learn candlestick patterns. Number 1, what is candlestick? Number 2, difference between bullish and bearish candlesticks. Number 3, the 7 powerful bullish and bearish reverse candlestick patterns. Number 1, hammer and shooting star candlesticks. 2, the engulfing candlesticks, the harami candlesticks. 4, the doji candlesticks. 5, piercing line and dark cloud candlesticks. 6, pinning drops candlesticks. 7, railway track candlesticks. Alright, in lesson 4, you are going to learn how to trade price action with trend lines along with support and resistance levels. Number 1, what is a price action? Number 2, support and resistance levels, where you will learn support levels and resistance levels. 3, you will understand where trend lines, upward trend lines and downward trend lines, and how we use them to make money. Alright, in lesson 5, we will learn where the 9 profitable bullish and bearish reverse chart patterns every trader must know. Where number 1, we will understand where triangle chart patterns, where we find the ascending triangle, descending triangle, symmetrical triangle. Number 2, head and shoulders and inverse head and shoulders. Number 3, double bottom and double top. Number 4, triple bottom and triple top. Right? In lesson 6, you will learn position sizing. Number 1, what is position sizing? Number 2, risk management for professional traders. Number 3, types of traders. Number 4, types of orders. Let's go on lesson 7. Lesson 7, Forex trading technical analysis. Number 1, what is Forex trading technical analysis? Number 2, principles of technical analysis. What makes the Forex market move? Top-down analysis. Number 5, identifying the trends, where you will learn how to identify uptrend market or bullish market. Number 2, downtrend market or bearish market. Number 3, sideways range or consolidation market. Number 4, choppy market. Number 6, how to trade confluence with price action. Number 7, how to profit from Forex market, where you will learn going long and going short in Forex market. Alright, in lesson 8, you will learn well Forex fundamental news trading, where number 1, you will understand the meaning of fundamental analysis. Number 2, benefit of fundamental news trading. Number 3, what kind of fundamental news do we trade? Number 4, Forex fundamental news trading method. Alright, in lesson 9, know how different sessions affect the Forex market, where point 1, we will learn how Asian or Tokyo session affects the Forex market. Point 2, how Australian or Sydney session affects the Forex market. Number 3, we learn how European or London session affects the Forex market. Number 4, how American or New York session affects the Forex market. Alright, let's go on lesson 10. Know the Forex market maker methods. Number 1, what are Forex market makers? Number 2, what tools market makers have? Number 3, what is stop loss hunting? Number 4, what is false breakout? Number 5, the 3 types of patterns market makers use. Number 6, how to trade with Forex market makers and how to beat them in their own game. Right, on lesson 11, the secret of making consistent profits by trading Forex. Number 1, principles of making consistent profits by trading Forex. Number 2, how to develop a profitable trading strategy. Number 3, how to develop a powerful Forex trading business plan. Number 4, most common mistakes traders make that directly turn them for being a consistent users. 5 keys to successful trading. Lesson 12, you will understand and know well the psychology of winning traders, where number 1, how winning traders think. Number 2, how to program your mind for becoming a winning trader. Number 3, management and overcoming Forex trading negative emotions. Number 4, how to manage temporary drawdowns. Number 5, you will understand differences between Forex trading and gambling. Alright, thank you guys. Opportunity is around every corner, but there aren't many people willing to turn that corner because risks are also lives there. But ask yourself, what is more risky? Taking the risk, chase your dream or your goals and possibly failing, or never trying and forever living in regret. You see, even if you fail once, twice, or 100 times while chasing your dreams, you learn the lessons and become wiser and stronger for having taken that risk. The character you develop along the way is priceless. I have yet met a person who refuses to give up on their dream that hasn't caught it. Failure is inevitable. There is not a single successful person who is alive or dead that never failed. One thing they will never do though is let an opportunity pass them by, no matter the risk. Do you still want to level up in Forex trading? Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. This is the real channel to tell me about.
My name is Bruno FX Magnet. I am a professional Forex trader and a digital entrepreneur.
Thank you very much for watching. I love you so much.